Performance marketing is a form of digital marketing where advertisers only pay for specific actions or outcomes that are directly measurable and tied to their marketing goals. Unlike traditional advertising methods that charge based on impressions or ad placement, performance marketing focuses on paying for specific results such as clicks, conversions, leads, or sales. The core principle of performance marketing is that advertisers pay based on the performance of their marketing campaigns. This approach allows advertisers to allocate their budgets more efficiently and track the return on investment, ROI, of their marketing efforts more accurately. It shifts the focus from simply reaching a wide audience to achieving specific, measurable objectives. Performance marketing often utilizes various digital channels and techniques, including affiliate marketing, search engine marketing, SEM, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, social media advertising, influencer marketing, and display advertising. These channels allow advertisers to target specific audiences, track user engagement and behavior, and optimize their campaigns based on real-time data and insights. One of the key advantages of performance marketing is its ability to track and measure the effectiveness of each campaign. Advertisers can utilize analytics tools and performance metrics to determine the success of their marketing efforts, make data-driven decisions, and allocate resources more efficiently. This approach also promotes accountability and transparency between advertisers and marketing partners. In summary, performance marketing is a results-oriented approach to digital advertising, where advertisers only pay for specific actions or outcomes, allowing for better optimization and ROI tracking.